Question 3, we're now going backwards, so we can't use our calculator anymore. We're going to need to use our normal distribution tables from our formula book or the back of our exercise book. That's the page we're looking for. Have that ready. And again, we've got to draw some pictures. This one here, I want a number here so that 97% of it is lower than it. So the number's going to be up here somewhere. This is the value of A here, and here I've got 97% or 0.97 is less than that value there. Now, I'm going to bring up my table here and have a look at this and try and find 0.97, and you see 0.97, 0.97 there gives me an answer of 1.88. And that's it. That's all I want from here. The answer here, A, is equal to 1.88. There's not much more thinking to do there because I draw my picture. Now this time it says I want a very small value, 5%, to be bigger than A. So it's a very similar picture. Here's A, and this bit here is going to be 5%. Now those tables again were less than tables. So we want to look at what's this value here going to be. All of that is going to be 95%. And so the value I'm looking at this time is 0.95. Bringing it up here, 0.95 is this value here, 1.64. Oops, come back. 1.64 is the value of A in this one here. On we go, the next one. Greater than. Lots of it greater than. So we must be all the way down here, because look how much is greater than that. All of that is greater than it. Now the way we think about this one is we just reflect it. We turn it round the other way and say, okay, look, that's going to be exactly the same point that's got 99% less than it. So let's look up the 0.99 again. 0.99, 0.99 gives me 2.33. So this value here would be 2.33. We don't want that. When we've reflected it, this value down here must be minus 2.33. There's your value of A of minus 2.33. And the last one, Z is less than A is a very small amount. The chance of it being less than is a very small amount. So this bit down here is just 0.1. That means this enormous bit up here must be about 90%, 0.9. Flip it round again and look up that 0.9 value this time. So the 0.9 value here we've got it, 1.28. And so that value up there would have been 1.28. Down here, we've got minus 1.28. The diagrams are essential.